Spices Appliance Kitchen for Wind Down Wednesday with Sarasota-Manatee Originals, and we are featuring a brand new Korean steakhouse in Waterside and Lakewood Ranch called Kore Steakhouse. Daniel's the owner, and he is going to treat us to Butcher's Pride. Let's get cooking.
This is amazing.
All right, today we're gonna learn a lot.
Okay.
So this is our Wagyu A5. We're gonna cut it really thin slices.
I've never seen marbling like that on any piece of meat.
It's stunning. So Wagyu is sort of the top of the top when it comes to beef cuts, correct?
Correct.
All right.
All right, we're just gonna
hot pan.
let this cook here for a second.
Now at Kore, you would be doing this right in front of us?
Yes.
Okay,
yes,
on our table.
Hope the alarm just
is our door closed? That's all right. The fire departments come before. They're cute and they're friendly.
Okay, so I'm going to explain a little bit what we have here. This is called banchan, side dishes, if you translate. We serve that every meal, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Okay.
It's mostly pickled or fermented vegetables.
Okay.
Okay, so there's nothing.
Smells good.
It smells good.
Yeah.
We're hot over here.
So there's no wrong way to eat it. You can eat before the meat's cooked, after the meat's cooked, during.
And do you give us, I see it has a great little kind of menu guide here to tell us what everything is. What a great idea.
Yes.
Wait, that's cooked?
That was all amazing. We need to do is sear.
Right.
We're gonna let it rest here for a little bit.
Okay.
So another cut that we are well known for is the carbi, which is the short ribs.
Okay.
Beef short ribs.
I'm having a side. He said there's no wrong way to have it.
There's no wrong way.
So I was thinking now would be good.
Fermented foods are so good for your digestion, so it probably aids in eating the meat, I would imagine, right?
Yes, a lot of probiotics on the kimchi. You probably heard kimchi.
Yes, for sure. The pickled cucumber is amazing. So you are just making beautiful thin slices. And then when we cook at the table, do we cook it? Does our server cook it? How does it work?
Well, if you feel comfortable, we let you cook it.
Okay.
But if you don't know what to do, we'll guide you. We'll flip the meat. We cut the meat. And one interesting part is we cook with scissors. So
with scissors? Really?
Yeah, we have every table receives a piece of scissors.
Okay.
And then we cut it right like this.
Oh my gosh, that's so much easier.
That is so much easier.
So are there scissors on the table?
Yes, we provide scissors for every table.
Oh, I love that.
Would you like to try?
Yes, please.
We do.
We have it's called the lettuce wrap, sam in Korean.
Hey, this will be on my eating plan because it isn't a carb.
You could add rice, but you don't have to.
Okay.
Okay, I recommend putting a little bit of this green onion salad.
Okay.
And the sauce.
And again, so we would have all of these little bowls on our table?
Oh, yes, yes.
This is a great way to learn how to properly cook meat. I remember when I first learned not to fiddle, not to mess with it, let it do its thing. I'm always one that wants to look at it, but you need to get a hot sear, right?
Yes.
That sauce is so good. It looks like a bolaise.
Yeah, well, that's a fermented soybean paste.
It's wonderful.
It's an explosion of flavor.
I love it. It is an explosion of flavor.
Okay, we're all going in. Hey, maybe quiet for a minute here.
Right.
Oh my gosh. Are you open for lunch?
How can meat melt in your mouth? That meat literally melts in your mouth.
This is amazing.
I've never had meat like that. And I like the fact that you have all these different cuts because I feel like you can really experience the nuances of different types of meat when you have it like this.
Yeah, so the idea is a smaller portion, but you get to try different cuts.
Yeah.
So this is one where you get a little bit of everything as a shared plate?
Correct.
What are some of our other ordering options? Can you order just pork or just ribeye?
Yeah, you can order a la carte. Seafood, vegetables options.
What a fun experience.
How many people would this one serve, the butcher's?
The butcher serves 2 people.
And it's this much
All of this?
It's about 6 different kinds of meat, yeah.
Oh my
That's a lot
gosh.
of food.
The most amazing and I love about Korean steakhouse or barbecue, you eat from the grill, so every bite is hot because you're eating right off the grill.
And I love my food hot.
Yes.
So you're gonna.
Sorry, go ahead.
No, I was gonna say. So you're gonna cook each piece of meat individually.
Yes.
And then eat it.
Is there an order to the? Do you cook the one with the most marbling first because it has more fat?
That's
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Just the marinated meats we cook last. so it's
Okay.
Oh,
it
so it
doesn't
doesn't-
stick.
Got it.
Yeah.
All right. So this
Oh my
is
gosh.
a Korean steakhouse experience, I think is
Yes.
safe to say. You are going to be cooking right there in front of your table, led by experts, of course. All sorts of different types of meats and vegetables and pickled fermented ingredients as part of the Korean culture. How exciting right here in Lakewood Ranch. This is the new Waterside development. Go see Daniel and have this experience yourself. We recommend the Wagyu. KoreSteakhouse.com. What a fun way to wrap up Wind Down Wednesday. Thanks to the Sarasota-Manatee Originals for always treating us to such wonderful local restaurants. That's it for today. Enjoy the rest of your day and the Suncoast.